Hello, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you my amazing breakfast smoothie. Yes, this smoothie is so good, especially if you are anemic. Yes, recently I just found out that I've been anemic, and you know what, I don't want to keep having tablets upon tablets. I just want to help myself, and since I started this green smoothies, I can see improvement is really improving. So I will want to show you how I make my morning smoothie using all my green ingredients, and also adding goji berry. If you know about goji berry is so amazing. It helps you if you are low in iron. It has so much nutrients that will help you build your immune system as well. So as you can see, I'm making this smoothie just to help myself. So if you're anemic or you've been diagnosed with one, just try this smoothie. It will help you. Just be consistent anyway. It's not a one-off thing. You have to be consistent to be able to get the full benefit. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave you and allow you to enjoy it. And I also want to use this opportunity to tell you, if you've not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing so you'll be able to see more amazing recipes that will bring your way. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.